Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Brahman is not to accept any implement.
No. He'll die of starvation, he'll not accept any employment. That is Brahman. Kshatriya also that, and Vaishya also. Only Shudra. The Vaishya will find out some business. He'll find out some business. So, there is a practical story. One, Mr. Nandi, long in the Calcutta, he went to some friend that if you can give me a little capital, I can start some business. So he said, you are Vaishya, mercantile? Yes. You are asking money from me? Money is on the street. You can find out. So he said, I don't find. You don't find? What is that? There is a dead mouse. That is your capital. You see? So in those days, plague in Calcutta, plague was going on. So municipal declaration was, any dead mouse brought to the municipal office, he will be paid 2 annas. So he took that dead body of the mouse and took to the municipal office. He was paid 2 annas. So he purchased some rotten betel nuts for 2 annas and washed it and sold it at 4 annas or 5 annas. In this way again, that man became so rich man. One of the family member was Nandi family. That Nandi family still, they have got 400, 500 men to eat daily. A big aristocratic family. And that family's regulation is, as soon as one son or daughter is born, 5,000 rupees deposited in the bank. And at the time of his marriage, that 5,000 rupees in interest, he can take it. Otherwise, there is no more share in the capital. And everyone who lives in the family, he gets eating and shelter. This is it. But the original, the establisher of this family, Nandi, he started his business with a dead rat mouse. That is actually fact. That if one wants to live independently, in Calcutta I have seen, and in poor class Vaishyas, and in the morning they'll take some dal, bag of dal, and go door to door. Dal is required everywhere. In the morning he makes dal business, and in the evening he takes 1 canister of kerosene oil. In the evening everyone will require. Still you will find in India, nobody was seeking for employment. Any little, whatever he has got, is selling some ground nuts or the peanuts. Something he is doing. After all, Krishna is giving maintenance to everyone. It is a mistake to think that this man is giving me maintenance. No. Shastra says, Eko jo bohunam vidudhati kaman. It is confidence in Krishna. That Krishna has given me life, Krishna has sent me here, so he will give me my maintenance. So according to my capacity, let me do something, and through that source, Krishna's maintenance will come.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.